Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Lover channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone without using the touchscreen. Now maybe your screen is frozen or maybe your screen is stuck. Now no matter the reason, the process is really simple and I'll show you how. So what you have to do is quickly press the volume up key and then the volume down key, and then press and hold the side key or the power button. So volume up, volume down, press and hold the power button. And now I'm going to show you how. Volume up, volume down, press and hold the side key or the power button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. So keep holding, and now let go of the side button. And as you can see, we have just restarted the iPhone without using the touchscreen. Now after the restart, check to see if the problem is gone or if it is still there. And that is how you can restart your iPhone without touchscreen. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.